Alright, so today we're going to touch a little base on the 68 RFE valve body. We've had a really known problem with these things for years, literally since we stuck them behind a diesel. It was pretty much immediately apparent. The valve body flexes. We came out with, well, we didn't. D&J Performance actually came out with the first one, the original, as we have here, a billet lower half of the valve body. This was our simple fix. It helped with our flexing, up and down, as far as from the pressure ports on the top and how that works. And it really did help to really stiffen up this valve body. One of the problems that we do also see, that we've seen, like I say, from the beginning, is we see flex in the valve body castings. And it's even documented really well in all the Transgo shift kits that are available on the shelf all over the place. Really well in their instructions, actually. So, as I said, Transgo shift kit instructions, some read first information that they send in their bigger kits for these things. So, I mean, you can pause to read if you want. Like I say, we're seeing the castings in the upper part of the valve body that's not currently out billet in factory form. And like I say, the billet lower was supposed to help with this a little bit with stiffening the valve body up so it can't flex vertically like they have a serious problem with. But we're still seeing these castings flex side to side. And it is a long casting. It's a really long passage. And there's no support for it. And this carries overdrive oil. So that's your top gears, your cruising gears. So you're in that a lot. And your pressure changes anywhere from 60 psi all the way up to the tune truck 225. Stock's only 160. And that ranging pressure makes this move back and forth, side to side. And of course, that side-to-side movement, as noted in the Transgo instructions that you could have paused to read, actually, like I say, it makes this channel flex, and some of the neighboring channels will actually flex. And you'll see the evidence of it up here on your separator plate, where it's actually been scrubbing on it. Now, this creates low spots in your casting. We have to flat sand to repair this and kind of start the process over again. And that's all we're doing, is we can restart the process. We can't cure it. We were hoping that the billet lower was the cure-all for it, but it's not. So what I've been working on for the last 6 years is this upper in billet. These channels are a little bit shallower, so there's less mechanical advantage for the fluid to work on making them flex in the first place. It's a stronger material. The bottoms of these are radius, so there's support in just the way they're machined. We've eliminated a bunch of the random castings that don't need to be there, and we're working on completely re-engineering the solenoid switch valve bore that is a huge problem with these things. They wear out all the time, and it's a massive problem.